Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next diecast. For today's video, I'll be opening up these Tomica models I got from Amazon. They were sold in a set of 4, and I believe I paid maybe $18 for it, maybe a little bit more than that. They were on sale, and as a lot of you know, for the past year and a half, Tomicas have been sold here in the USA, mainly at Walmart locations, at the Walmart supercenters. And they have a website that shows like what cars are in each wave, which is like their I guess like their release series is. Here's an example of a Tomica model from Walmart that I got back in 2019. This is Subaru Forester, among many more that I've gotten from there. But you know, since the pandemic and everything, they haven't really released any new waves. They kind of quietly released an Audi R8 and some kind of Suzuki truck that I believe are being sold at Walmart, but they aren't on their website. And then one day, just by chance, I'm on the Amazon site. I'm looking at like my orders and all that. And then in my recommended is this set of 4 cars. And it was on sale for $18. A lot of times, if you want to buy a single Tomica model from, you know, Amazon or eBay, that's pretty much how much you would pay for one model, because shipping costs and everything, like, you know, if you're getting it like directly from Japan and whatnot. But I found these 4 models for $18 and some change, so I'm really happy about that. So let's go ahead and open up our box here, and then we'll take a look at what we got on the inside. Looks like it's a box inside another box. What we got here? It's not marked or anything. One of those air packs in there. It looks like we gotta open up this next. Sold as a bundle pack only. Do not break pack. I actually ordered the Wave 5 and Wave 6 sets of the Walmart models directly from Tomica, who's the distributor of these Tomica cars. And they came in similar boxes, just like this. I figured I wasn't going to be going to Walmart anytime soon, and the company, they actually started selling these online as bundles. So this is very kind of deja vu right now. Of course, the Wave 5 and Wave 6 cars are different from this. I don't know if the models I'm going to be opening are going to be part of maybe like an 8th wave on the Tomica website, but they're not on there. These are only on the Amazon site. They're not listed on the Tomica USA site as being one of their waves. So I'm not really sure why they decided to release these without really any fanfare. I'll go ahead and open up this right here. All right, here's our cars. You can see this is pretty much the standard Tomica packaging that they've been doing here since they released all these models back in 2019. At your standard blister with the box underneath and the car or the model on top. So this is the Toyota Coaster Kindergarten bus. It's 1/89 scale, actually perfect size for an HO scale train layout for my viewers who have those. Then we got the Lotus 311, a really cool looking sports car or supercar. I don't really have any Lotuses. I'm really happy to have that one here. Oh, then we got the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. This looks awesome in that orange. You got the striping on it and stuff too. And then we have, oh, this one's really cool, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class in that really cool looking silver. This is actually a pretty interesting stat. I don't know what their reasoning is for picking like 4 specific cars for specific sets. There isn't really any rhyme or reason to it. I mean, the Wave 6 set was mostly service vehicles, but there was a random like Suzuki SUV in there. I guess they just release models here in America that they think people here would like, and I think we would all like these. I mean like between the G-Wagon and the Lamborghini, those are some really cool cars. And you always get a Japanese vehicle that's not actually sold in real life here in America. So that's always cool to get those. So here's our 4 cars. We're going to go ahead and get them out of their blisters next. Now these blisters are actually quite difficult to open. You have to like use scissors and even like a blade and stuff to get them open. So I probably won't be able to film that part because I need 2 hands for that. So you'll see how these look once they're outside of the blisters. Actually, this one didn't give me too much trouble. I just kind of pulled apart the ends. So I'll get this out first. All right, here's our first one, the Toyota Coaster bus. Looks like a really cool model overall. Nice and heavy. I think these are worth the $4 to $5 each just because they have so much detail on them. They have suspension in most cases too. Well, this one doesn't, but most of them do. There's lots of like paint detail and everything on here, so it looks really cool. And of course, you get the picture of the model or of the real vehicle on the side of the box there. We'll open up the Lotus next. All right, here's our Lotus 311. I really love this paint scheme on here, like that dark metallic green with like the yellow striping. It looks incredible. And then you get like the black wheels and everything. This is actually a fairly heavy model too. And of course you got the name on the base and also the scale. 2017 is apparently the year of this particular car. But it looks really cool overall. Put that over here. All right, next we will do the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Looks a lot bigger than the other cars here, which is kind of cool. So we'll go ahead and open up that one next. Wow, this one is a lot bigger and heavier than I thought it would be. It looks awesome, especially in this like metallic silver color paired up with these gray wheels. This one actually features opening doors, which some Tomica models actually have that cool feature. And there's full suspension too. That's actually really cool. And there is some detail on the interior too. Awesome looking car. And there's always some nice detailing with like the lights and the grills of these models. You can see with the fine detailing with that Mercedes-Benz badge. And the Lotus, you get a little tiny badge up front. And then you get those kind of side tampos here on the bus. But this one's really cool. That silver really does like pop out too. All right, last but certainly not least, we'll open up the Lamborghini Huracan. All right, that was hard to open. Oh, it's a matte finish for the paint. That looks awesome, especially with the, in this shade of orange, the matte finish. And you get like the gold line wheels. It looks really, really cool. They really do a nice job with the fine detailing of these lights here and that Lamborghini badge too. This looks awesome. A little bit big, it's 1/62 scale. There's even some engine detailing back there too. That's incredible. So here's all 4 of our Tomicas here. I think this is a really cool set. It's kind of unusual how they have 2 supercars, an SUV, and just a random kind of school bus. But if you want to start your collection of a Tomica, then this is actually a really good start. I believe the price has since gone up on this bundle from Amazon, although it might go on sale again in the future. I don't know for sure, but I'd say it's definitely worth the $18. If these were hypothetically at Walmart and I were to go there and buy them right now, which I don't think these are currently at Walmart. Maybe they will be in the future. I'm not too sure. But these aren't on the Tomica website as of now. I hope they add them on the future, maybe so they're more widely available to us Tomica fans. But they would have probably been like $20 to $21 if I had gone to Walmart to buy them. So I saved a little bit of money from buying them off Amazon, but not too much. But yeah, I'm hoping they'll release more of these kind of sets in the future, because Tomica really does have a lot of cool cars, both like from Japan and other manufacturers like Lamborghini and the Lotus and whatnot. But yeah, overall these are some really cool cars right here. Go ahead and pan around for the final view here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.